Ava, where are you?
You can twist the baby.
Yeah, can you open yours?
You the man.
Oh, I think it's from Rafi. So thank you for Sabi mo kay Rafi, thank you.
Oh wow.
Wow. Black Panther.
I thought it was supposed to be mommy. Oh look.
Let me see.
This one.
Oh,
What is
wow. Okay. Open mo pa yung iba.
this one?
Who's that from? Kanino galing yan?
It's from.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Say thank you, Ninang Princess and family. Okay. Okay, good. That's from your teacher. Oh, wow! Look at that. Let me see. Thank you, Mama and Auntie Jen Jen. Yeah.
What is it?
What's that? Patingin? Oh, wow. That's your favorite. Roblox.
Arcades?
What's that? Flying alien. Oh, wow. Para yata siyang drone.
Who's that one from?
Kanina galing nga yan? Kina Elaine, no? Say thank you, Ninang Elaine. Can you say thank you? Yeah, that's yours. That's from Ninang Donna.
Oh!
Let me see.
Open it! It's what you have ever wanted.
Oh, wow. Nice. Ah. Wow. Let me see, Ava. The arcade. Say thank you, Ninang. Say, can you say thank you, Ninang Donna?
I can feel it!
You like that?
Yeah, girl, I got that for you.
Oh, wow. Let me see what you got.
This is so nice.
Nice. Kanino galing yan?
This wrapping paper is so nice.
Oh, wow. Dollhouse.
Wait, can I have one? Huh? Can I have a candy cane? Yeah.
Oh, let's
No, I
after
bought
you
that
open
for
it.
you. I mean, no, mommy bought that for you. Mom, can you open it?
Teka.
Mom.
Okay, open it with the... Ayun, no? Smash mo. You have to smash it.
Open it, Mom.
Patingin kay Den. Kay Den.
Mama, open this.
Oh, wow. Let me see, Ava. Oh, Ava got a dollhouse.
I got that for you.
Ava, Open mo muna yun, oh. Ah, wow! Ganda naman.
You like that?
Let me see, Ava.
You like that? The Roblox? You said you really like that. That one's so
Oh, wow, Hachi Mouse. You have more gifts, look. Open more gifts. Come on. Pepper, stop it. That's from Ninang Nori. Kayla, I think Pepper wants to go out. Kasi di naman nag-ano siya, namumudit. Can you let her out? Pepper, wala ka dyan. No.
Wow!
Wow, let me see.
Oh wow, it has a name on it.
Ava, oh yeah. Wow. More. Open more. Yeah, that one. Pepper. Pepper. Babe, oh, si Pepper, oh, babe. Kayla, can you let her out first, Kayla? Tingnan mo kung nasan siya ngayon. Oh. Ooh, wow. Say thank you, Ninang Nori.
Wow! Where is it? Pepper, go. Abba.
What? Kayla, pakilabas mo muna ngayon. Gusto niya talaga lumabas. Oh, wow! That one. Open it. Behind you. Yeah, that one. No, ito. Hmm. Oh, wow!
What?
Kanino galing yan? Wow!
What is that? Can I see it?
I think that's a donut. Wow, so cute!
How will you see it? Oh, take this out. Mom, can you help me? Oh no! I broke
Hi.
I'll put it back on. Oh, I'll put it back on.
Wow, daming kalat. Oh. You like that? So cute, huh? Kuya! Punta ka doon, oh. Come on.
I really like this one. Going to try.
Ow. Ava.
Ma,
Hmm?
Tita.
Ask Ate. Open it. Let me see. It's to baby Kaden from Mama and Auntie Jen Jen. Nah, yeah, you're still a baby. Oh, yay. I know you like cars. Ava, open yours here. Mmm. What you got, ate? Oh, that's so cute. Kanino galing yan? Mama and Auntie Jen Jen? Thank you, Mama. Say thank you. Okay. Don't open it yet, Kaden. Doon, oh. Marami ka pang regalo. Put it there, Ava. Inside. Okay. Can you put all your clothes in there, Kaden? Lagay mo doon, Kaden, oh. Doon.
Yes,
Kaden.
I wanted something like this. I wanted something like this.
Okay.
But I have something like that. Because I'm wearing it right now. One more?
Mama gave it. Oh, that's good. So you have something for when we go to sledding, yeah? Okay. Let me see. Wow, look at Kuya Kaden. Daming damit ni Kuya Kaden, oh. Okay, put it there. On the couch. Then open. Okay. You still have presents there, Kaden. Go find your name. What's that?
Oh, it fell. I thought it was just like that.
Dito. Wait.
What's this one?
Ah, dito, oh. Teka.
Where's that one from? Is that from Mama?
Ha?
Is that from Mama?
That's from Tita Hamil.
No, not that.
Yeah.
See it.
Oh, what's that?
See it.
Patingin? Dito, oh. Open mo pa dito.
Okay.
Be careful. Maano ka? Ay, nako.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
So, this is box inside of
Oh. We're gonna make this next time. Ano pa? Oh, ayan lahat ng mga regalo. Thank you guys. Thank you sa lahat ng mga nagbigay ng regalo sa mga anak ko.
No, it's this. You can pick up their head. Let me. No? Yes, look. It says
Natuwa ang mga bata lalo na sa mga laruan. At saka thank you sa mga damit.